In this video guide, we'll delve into the important process of managing deleted orders within your website's admin area. Effectively handling deleted orders is crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient e-commerce operation. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. This is your gateway to managing deleted orders with ease and precision. Once you're logged in, locate the Reports and Deleted Orders tabs. Within the Deleted Orders tab, you'll find a lot of valuable information presented in a user-friendly tabular format. This table contains several key columns that provide essential insights. Date added. This column displays the exact date and time when each order was deleted. Understanding when an order was removed can be crucial for various reasons. Order ID. Here, you'll find the unique identification number associated with each deleted order. This ID serves as a reference point for tracking and retrieval. Admin. The admin column indicates the ID of the administrator who deleted each order. This attribution adds accountability and transparency to the process. Comments. The comments column provides space for any additional notes or comments related to the deleted orders. These comments may include reasons for deletion or other important details. To make your workflow even more efficient, take advantage of the quick search field located above the report table. This tool allows you to swiftly locate specific information among the deleted orders, saving you valuable time and effort. Managing deleted orders is not just about record keeping, it's about maintaining a well-organized and accountable e-commerce operation. By following these steps, you'll master the art of managing deleted orders and ensure that your business processes run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable guides.